How to delete Facebook account PC. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to delete Facebook account PC. First, navigate to the Facebook website on your PC. Make sure to log in to your account. Now click on your profile shown at the top right corner. In the menu, switch to the account which you want to delete. After switching to the account, click on the profile and go to Settings and Privacy. Then select the Settings option and click on See More in the Account Center on the left side. On the left side, click on the Personal Details option. Next, select the Account Ownership and Control and choose the Deactivation or Deletion option. After that, click on your Facebook account and mark the Delete Account area. In the end, hit the Continue button and it will delete the Facebook account PC. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.